Class, come to the difference between CD and DVD. CD, CD stand for compact disc and DVD stand for digital versatile video disc. Okay, a CD, it can also run in CD drive and also run in DVD drive, but a DVD can run only in DVD drive. DVD drive. This is the main difference between the CD and DVD. CD, a CD can run in only a CD can run both in CD drive and DVD drive. Okay, but a DVD can run only in DVD drive. Quality of sound and movies is low in a CD. In CD, the quality of sound and movies is low, but in DVD, the quality of sounds and movies is high. The quality of sound and movies is high. Okay, class. A USB flash drive. This is the last topic of this lecture. USB flash drive. USB flash drive is also a storage device. We can store our data in USB flash memory या flash disk आप कह सकते हो, drive भी कह सकते हो. It is plugged in a USB port. It is plugged in a USB port of the computer. We can connect USB with the port of the computer. What is port? I think you don't know about the port. The port, क्लासिक पोर्ट वो होता है जो आप कंप्यूटर के आप जिसमें अपनी डाटा केबल कनेक्ट करते हो, जिसमें आप डिफरेंट अपना चार्जर लैपटॉप का कनेक्ट करते हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ पोर्ट. ओके, USB can also plugged in the port of the computer. It is a portable, expensive. Okay, it is a portable, expensive, reliable, and durable storage devices. Durable storage devices. We can use in where we can use USB flash memory because it is small and lightweight and it can contains a large amount of data. It is small and lightweight and it can contains a large amount of data. We can also read and write data on the flash memory. It's mean flash memory mean USB, and it is also widely used to transfer data from one computer to another. It is also used to transfer data from one computer to another. Okay, classes, I again repeat the lecture because due to the technical problem, the lecture, I think some students don't able to get lecture. So I again repeat this lecture. So let's listen it carefully. Okay, today is our lecture number 5, chapter number 1, introduction to computer. First of all, we learn about the memory. What is memory? In short form, we can say that memory is a holding device. What is meant by holding device? Holding device means that it can host the data for a few times. It's mean that it can hold the data for a few times. Memory can refers to the RAM. Memory can refers to the RAM, and RAM stand for random access memory. RAM stand for random access memory. RAM is a volatile memory. Volatile memory. What is meant by volatile memory? Volatile memory means that it can lose data when you switch off the computer. It can lose the data when you switch off the computer. And it is also called a high speed memory. It is also called a RAM is also called a high speed memory. Okay, then then next we can find the processor speed and memory size of your computer in an easy way. How can we find processor speed and memory size of the computer? First of all, you right click on the my computer icon. Okay, my computer icon, which is displayed on your desktop. My computer icon, which is displayed on the desktop. This is your homework task that you will find the processor speed and memory size of the computer. and then goes to the click and then click the properties. When you click the properties, a system property dialog box appears. A system properties dialog box appear. Then in the top, the computer general information appears. Computer general information, this line appear. You can click it and they can show your processor speed and memory size. Then you can note down the processor speed and memory size of your computer. Next is storage devices. Storage device, the function of storage device to hold data and also to store data. It can hold data and also to store data. What is the difference between memory and storage device? The main difference between the memory and storage device, memory can only hold data. Okay, they cannot store data, but a storage device can also hold data and can also store data. Okay, storage device can hold data, instruction and information permanently. In memory we can save data. Yeah, we can hold data temporary for a few minutes, but in storage devices we can hold data permanently. Storage devices has a much larger capacity to store data, and the some example of storage devices are floppy, hard disk, CDs, DVDs, and USB flash drive. First of all, we describe we learn about the floppy disk. What is floppy disk? Floppy disk is a inexpensive. We cannot use it yet. हम अभी इसको use नहीं करते modern computers में. It is a portable and inexpensive device, and it can enclosed in a plastic case. It can consist of a flexible thin magnetic film, and this film is enclosed in a plastic case. A floppy disk is used to write and read and write data. It is very rare, यानी इसका मतलब है इट इज वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड फ्लॉपी डिस्क ड्राइव इन मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर कि अभी हमें फ्लॉपी डिस्क कंप्यूटर के अंदर नहीं मिलती या अब यूज नहीं होती. दे आर नॉट वाइडली यूज्ड ड्यू टू देयर लो. व्हाई वी नॉट use floppy disk? Because due to their low storage capacity. Next is hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device. It is a permanent storage device. We can also call it hard drive or disk drive. It is reliable and durable storage device, and it also fits inside the system unit. It consists of a several rotating disks called platters. It consists of a several rotating disks. Inside the hard disk there is a rotating disk called platters, and the function of platter is to store data. Okay, and the function of platter is to store data. They are sealed. Hard disk are sealed in the case, airtight case to free from dust, to keep free from dust. It can also store a very large amount of data and information. It can also store a very large amount of data and information. Okay, come to the next. This is the diagram of hard disk. First hard disk is inside the computer. First hard disk is inside the computer, and you can see this is a plotter in which we can save data. Okay, class. And second device is also a hard disk, but this can be connected to a port of the computer. We can connect it to the port of the computer. This is the latest hard disk. The second hard disk is the latest hard disk in your computer. Okay, next is CD. CD is a portable and also less reliable devices. It is made up of plastic, and it has a thin layer of material. It has a thin layer of material which can reflect light easily. We can use a laser beam. We can use a laser beam to read and write data on them. We can use a laser beam to read and write data on them. In the next slide, we learn about the difference between CD and DVD. अगर आपको ये समझ आ जाए डिफरेंस, इसका मतलब आपको CD और DVD दोनों समझ आ जाएंगे. CD stand for compact disc. CD stand for CD stand for compact disc. DVD stand for digital versatile video disc. A CD can run in a CD drive and DVD drive too. We can run a CD in CD drive and DVD drive too. But DVD drive can only run in a DVD drive. This is the difference. In CD, the quality of sound and movies is much cheaper. You can say that it much low in a CD. But in a quality of sound and movies in a DVD is high. Next is USB. It is also a storage device. Due to its small and due to its less weight, we can use it in a large amount. And they can also store a large amount of data. We can widely use it to transfer data from one computer to another. It is also a portable, expensive, and durable storage device. I repeat all the lecture number 5. So if you have any query or any question regarding this lecture, you can ask a question.
क्लास 6 कौन सी पीडीएफ आपको नहीं आई? सब पीडीएफ मैंने सेंड कर दी थी. Yes, first one is the CD. I don't say that property is a dialog box. I say that when you click the properties, a dialog box appears. एक आपके पास स्क्रीन सी, जब आप प्रॉपर्टीज पे जाके क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको एक स्क्रीन सी नजर आती है जिसमें 4-5 आपके होते हैं, आप क्या कह सकते हो, नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं. उसमें जाके लिखा होगा जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन, उस पर आपने क्लिक करना है. ओके, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डायलॉग बॉक्स कहते हैं. प्रॉपर्टी डायलॉग बॉक्स खुद नहीं है. अच्छा, एक बच्चे ने पूछा है कि टेल द आंसर ऑफ प्रोसेसर स्पीड एंड मेमोरी साइज. जी, कौन सा आंसर? जी, क्लास 6 फोन से पीडीएफ नहीं आए. मैं वही आपसे पूछूंगा, आप बताएं, मैं वो पीडीएफ अगेन आपको सेंड कर दूं, क्योंकि यहाँ से मैंने शाल को सारे पीडीएफ दे दिए अपने. मुझे बताइए कौन से पीडीएफ आप तक नहीं पहुंचे.
So first of all, we have to apply the formula on these freedoms.
Yesterday,
SK plus KD plus
it's mean that
okay.
General Science and Math lectures, lecture number 5.
X square plus y square plus y whole square.
Okay.
Minus a square. Now
it will send to your WhatsApp group. I will send to your WhatsApp group.
X plus y whole square minus a square.
And any other query? You have only 4 minutes
Wait
left.
a second, students.
So what did you mean by latest? अच्छा, लेटेस्ट का क्या मतलब है? लेटेस्ट का ये मतलब है, देखिए आप पहले मोबाइल का कोई भी नहीं था, पहले किसी को नहीं पता था मोबाइल क्या होते हैं, मोबाइल के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें होती है, पहले क्या इस्तेमाल होते थे, सिंपल कंप्यूटर इस्तेमाल होते थे, बड़े बड़े कंप्यूटर होते थे, सही है, उनके अंदर बड़ी बड़ी हार्ड डिस्क होती थी, सही है। अब क्या लेटेस्ट में क्या आया, आपके पास मिनी कंप्यूटर आ गया, आपके पास लैपटॉप आ गया, छोटा सा, जहाँ मर्जी है ले जाओ, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी। जो आप यूज कर रहे हो उसको हम लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं। लैपटॉप इज अ लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड रोबोट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी।
अब वो क्लास मॉनिटर नहीं कर सकता है। तो जिस किसी भी ऐसी कोई और हुई जो कि तहजीब के दायरे से बाहर की, गैर अखलाकियात के दायरे से बाहर की, गैर अखलाकी किस्म की कोई भी हरकत नहीं, तो उसको मीटिंग से निकाल देना है और उसके पेरेंट्स को कार ली जाएगी। और ये जिस स्टूडेंट को मैंने निकाला है वो समझ गया होगा, ठीक है। तो तमाम स्टूडेंट्स इस लिहाज से बिल्कुल डिसिप्लिन बरकरार रखिए। अगर किसी की भी ऐसी वीडियो मैंने दोबारा देखी तो उसको ऐसा ना हो कि मैं परमानेंट रिमूव करूं, ठीक है। चलिए लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square equal to, now first of all we have to apply the
Last time you don't have any query regarding this lecture
x square plus 2xy
about the
plus
storage
y
devices.
square. Now when we use the formula, we know that x square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square, and a is x, b is y. So that's why we write x plus y whole square minus a square. Now
Classes, if you have any query regarding the previous lecture, not only this lecture, okay, you can ask a question.
According to that formula, here a is x plus y and b
Your
is
question only send with me, okay? Nobody can see your question. So send me a question.
according to the formula, a plus b is x plus y plus a, and a minus b is x plus y minus a. Okay, so which is your required answer of the question number 1. Now let's start the question number 2. 4 square minus
बेटा
4
पीडीएफ तो सेंड हो जाएगी, आप क्वेश्चन पूछो, अभी पीडीएफ आ जाएगी आपके पास, आज ही अभी आपके पास आ जाती है, लेक्चर एंड हो जैसे होता है, क्वेश्चंस पूछिए आपके पास अगर है
on first readers.
कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए काइंडली।
Okay, now 4 square minus 4ab plus b square. So again a is 2a, to tell 2a whole square, because we know that 4a square is the perfect square of 2a. When we take the square of 2a, it becomes 4a square minus 2 into 2a into b. How we write 2a into b? Okay, first we write the b whole square. So when we write the a square plus b square, in mid we write 2ab, so 2ab.
Okay.
And 9 6.
I think you don't have any questions. Last 6. Okay, goodbye.
Now we can close the formula.